Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a tutorial on how I did this low side swoop ponytail. So if you're interested, continue watching.
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch.
So I'm just going ahead and parting her hair where I would like her part to be. Then I'm just combing her hair down to make sure that it's falling where I want it to. Next, I'm just gonna part out the section that's gonna be covering the tracks because I will be gluing tracks. So now I'm just gonna be sectioning her hair. That way I can mold it with my 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐾 free spray. So I'm first gonna mold the back, and then I'm gonna mold the two sides. The only part I'm leaving out is the part that I sectioned off to cover her tracks. Everything is slicked back. I am just taking my band and I am just catching her hair up in a ponytail. I'm now going in with the tracks I'm gonna use for her sweep, and I'm just measuring out the piece that I'm going to glue first. Doing it in a half moon shape. And I'm just going to continue gluing in pieces until that small space at the top is filled. And I used about 4 to 5 tracks max, just because I still wanted the sweep to look natural. So once I finished gluing the tracks, I'm just going ahead and combing it down to make sure that I don't see any gaps and that I have enough hair for her swoop. Now I'm just going in with my free spray to mold her hair. So once the tracks that I glued in are molded into place, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing and lay her natural hair on top to cover the tracks. That is the reason why we left out a piece of her natural hair, because we want to cover the tracks. Once her hair is dried, I am just going back in with my band and I am going to retie her ponytail. Next, I am just braiding her hair to prep it for her invisible ponytail. Do not want to forget to add this black rubber band at the end to hold the braid. And now we are going to start adding her extensions. And I do my invisible ponytail starting from the bottom and I work my way up. So I normally do one stitch, wrap it around, and then do another stitch at the top. So all my stitches will be at the top of the braid. I will have one stitch at the top of the braid and I wrap the hair around and make another stitch each time I go around. So now I'm taking a small piece of hair from the ponytail and I'm going to use this hair to cover the band. I also use the black 𝐇𝐔𝐍𝐍𝐘 gel to hold the hair in place. And because I thought this band was too thin, I went ahead and took another piece and wrapped it around again. So now I'm just rubbing some product in her hair and I'm going to go ahead and flat iron her ponytail. that's done, I'm going to go ahead and style her sideburns. And I'm just gonna free spray her hair. And that is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.